going to take the wine thief on the Merlot kit here. It's a wine kit. And we're going to get a sample for the, we're going to bottle today. And we'll use the wine thief to get our sample here. And of course we're going to drink this as a taste test. So I need one more dipping. I can smell the wine, the alcohol already. Might get one more. That should be plenty for our hydrometal. Might smell wine. Take our hydrometer. Ooh, I don't want to overflow. No, we're not gonna. Oh, that finished nicely. So we'll get a reading on this, see what it says. On the Chilean Merlot kit, we're going to be bottling behind me here. It's been sitting here. When do we put this together, this kit? The date?
The date on this was March 6th.
March 6th? So how many months has this been sitting here?
$10.
10 months. And we've been sitting here fermenting this and letting it sit there. So here's the sample taste. It's 0.996 it finished at. 0.996 from a 1.116, and it equals out to be 15.75% on the scale. You got some nice legs on this. They're very noticeable. The smell smells alcoholic and grapey. It smells like a wine. Slight tannin smell, but now with the taste test. Very smooth alcoholic taste. Slight grape, slight tannin taste. It's a good one. A little burn down to the stomach with that 15.75%. It's got a nice taste to it. So on with the bottling. So we're bottling the Merlot. Here we go. Get in there. I'll take care of that. You can cap the rest of those up. And what we'll do here, we filled 2 gallons. And we're going to go ahead and we're just going to fill the rest of the wine bottles here. And then cork them all together. How you doing in there? So, besides the taste test, this stuff is awesome, this wine. So just not doing that on an empty stomach. We got 2 full gallons. We're going to put in the fridge in the basement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bottles. A full case of the rest of the wine in there. Oh, that's good tasting. That is good. I'm not a wine drinker. But that's a good wine for a kid. I would suggest buying that kit. I'll label what it was again. I'll tell you the name of the manufacturer if you people out there want to buy it. But it's meant to be done in about 6 weeks. We finished it, let it go for 8 months. 9.5 months. Let it sit here. So there you go. I got to do the cleanup now. I got all the stuff here. I got to clean up the cardboard. And over there on the sink, I got to clean all that stuff up. And I think it's nap time. Why wouldn't it be? Okay, we're gonna show you how we do our wines here and stuff. We printed all our labels up on the computer. I got 2 bottles for my daughter, 2 for my other daughter, and the rest are going to be us. But I print up the labels on the computer, and then regular ink. I use Word. I think it's the program Word. and I print them up. Then I take them outside and I spray them down with some clear lacquer or clear enamel, and I'll let them dry and cut them out with a razor blade. Then I apply them with milk and a little bit of cream mixed together. I have down in a plate in front of me, and I've been doing it this way for years. Milk and a little bit of cream is all it really takes. So I'll show you with a bottle here. One cloth. I'll get my cloth set up over here. I'm not really ready. Put this cloth here. Take my label. This rag I'm using here has got a little bleach on it. I clean the bottle. I set the bottle down. What you want to do is make sure the label isn't, the seam isn't facing the label. Take your label, stick it in your milk. You can go under can't go underwater with it because it's milk. How you doing? Drip it off a little, bring it over to your bottle, put it in position, hold it down for a second or two. I take a dry cloth, I put it over the top of it once it's in position, and I just push it like this. I think the camera's picking up on that. And I just hold it down, and I'll let it dry out a little bit. Squeeze it down a little bit. And that's about it. Then I take it off of there. I take my bleach rag again. I wipe the excess milk off of it, pushing the label down, making sure it's on. And there it goes. If there's any bubbles in there, work them out. But that milk will hold them right in place. So there's one. So let's get on with it. I got 2 of these to do. I didn't do 2-3 months ago. I'm going to put those on too, so my bottles don't get goofed up.
I do, and I really think it has to be an approach from staff development. And
Once again, you want your label
so challenged to get involved in this.
away from where you're going to apply your seam where you're going to apply your label.
Yes.
Yeah, this is a bottle of pyment we made. Finished bottling 12 of the Merlot wines, Merlot and Chilean Merlot wines. I'm got a frog in my throat today or something. And in the back, 2 of the pyments that we forgot to get the label on and capped. We got these all capped with the seals, the shrink labels, and 8 of the chocolate meads. We got the black cap on there. We finally got that capped, so we can put these down in the basement. So that's it. You can give some of these away for Christmas, 4 bottles away for Christmas, and we'll put the rest away for safekeeping. We'll put the rest away for safekeeping. I don't get it. So in goes the bubbler. And we'll put a dress on this, and we'll see you in 14 days. Of course, this is a wine kit. They want to produce it in 14 days, so that's what we're going to do.